guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon Kivora and I'm currently residing in California. So for today's video, my appointment yung mama ko. And then we're gonna go grocery shopping at Costco. And then we're also gonna buy our dogs dog food. Sa Costco na rin siguro. And yeah, just come join us. Dito na po kami sa clinic, pero hindi kami pwedeng mag-video. Took us 25 minutes ma'am. Yan. Baba na ka, mama. Yeah, that's the clinic right there. But, yeah, not gonna be able to take a video because obviously it's a clinic. So, I'll see you guys later. So I'm here back in the car. I got coffee. I got a latte from Pete's. They actually have may coffee shops sila sa loob. So yeah, I gotta have caffeine every single day. So my go-to is a latte or matcha. That's the only two that I really like. So anyway, so yung mama ko nandun pa sa loob, so I'm still waiting for her. So I'm just chilling here in the car. But let's talk about women's health, so or my ladies out there, especially sa mga taga Philippines. Let's talk about women's health real quick. So if you guys don't know, I'm currently a nursing student. So we're currently on summer vacation, but I'm still taking classes. But anyway, so pag 21 years old ka na, so it's really important to get pap smear. So usually every 3 years siya when you're 21 years old. So basically test siya para i-check kung may abnormal cells sa cervix mo na pwedeng maging cervical cancer. So once you turn 30 years old, usually sinasabay yung HPV with your pap smear. So basically HPV test ay chine-check ka kung may high risk human papilloma virus ka, which is a common virus na pwedeng mag-cause ng cervical cancer. Kung okay naman yung results ng parehong test, usually pwede kang magpa-screening like every 5 years after that. And then also like when you turn 40 years old and above, it's also the time to get mammogram every 1 to 2 years, depending on how high risk you are. So basically, it's a pupunta ka sa radiology. So they basically gonna do an x-ray para ma-detect kung may signs ka ng breast cancer. Yeah, this is very important, especially like kung may history kayo ng family na may cervical cancer, breast cancer, or anything like that. So I know in the Philippines, this is not really common. Like we don't usually go to the doctor unless it's like pag sobra na yung sakit mo or it's too late, right? But here in America, like I just did my pap smear this year too. So usually they're on top of it. That's the only good thing about the US. But I know in the Philippines, not really. So I know sometimes it's kind of like, nakakatakot or nakakahiya. Pero it's important, like na maaga natin maagapan. I always believe that prevention is better than cure, right? And this test don't take long. It's really take like few minutes. It's a little awkward if it's your first time, but you're gonna get used to it. It's really fast. So the doctor, make sure nila na you're gonna be like comfortable. Like they're really, really good. And this test can save your life. Trust me. So please check in with your doctor and take care of yourself. You deserve to feel safe, healthy, and empowered. That's it. That's just my little pep talk today. So, I'm about to get gas. Maggagas po tayo. Napakamahal po ng gas dito sa Amerika. Especially sa California. It's too expensive. So, dito ikaw yung maggas ng sarili mo. Nung una, hindi ako marunong, pero madali lang pala. But yeah, this is the gas prices. I was saying, so dito sa Amerika, ikaw lang mag-isa yung nag-gas ng sarili mo. Wala pong mga gasoline boy dito. I think, except Jersey. I think in New Jersey, they do have people that pump their gas, but not here. You have to learn. We're here at Costco now. Usually, dito kami lagi pag mga bulk. Mas mura kasi dito pag bulk. So, basically yung Costco para siyang SNR sa Pilipinas. Yeah, so, bibili lang kami ng paper towel, ng tubig, and pagkain ng aso ko. Ito na tayo sa loob. Usually, paiba-iba yung ditong mga nasa harap nila. And dahil puro summer, ayan, yung mga pang pool, pang summer and everything. Yeah, so pupunta kami sa produce section. So, bibili kami ng sibuyas tsaka tomato. Kasi madami nga sila, so mas mura talaga dito. Mas okay to kung malaki yung pamilya niyo. Like, you have a lot of kids. This is like a better option kasi makakamura ka. May watermelon, ayan. Yung onion, yellow or sweet onion? Ay, red or yellow? Magkano yan? Yan po yung price nila. Tapos, ayan yung mga meat nila, guys. Yeah, they have beef. Tapos, ito yung laging binibili namin dito kasi $5 lang yung chicken nila. If you know, you know. Yeah, see? $5 lang. So, yan. Yan, paper towel.
Gani ko niya abitin ngayon. Yung kay kawala, ano?
Ngayon, ganyan pa. Marami. Tide. Ito na yung pagkain ng aso ko. It's $64. Adult na lang eh. Wapin one eh. Yan na mo. Yan.
Mga bahay pa mo yun. Yung mga meton ka na.
Ito po yung mga ano nila, parang crackers and everything. We're about to get Ritz. Ritz na ma. Ay, ito, bili tayo nito. Ay, wala yung isa. No, liwayitang metong. Kaya ito. Ano yun? Tawag dito. Pero try natin. Ito, sarap to. Yung isa.
Tapang kayo, di ba? Tapang na ng pet na bilan.
What is this? Ah. The other one is better, but try natin to. Yun nga. Pero kailangan may membership ka dito. Parang, I'm not sure kung magkano. I think $100 a year. I don't quote me on that. Hindi ako sure talaga kung magkano yung membership. Tapos, meron na din silang mga ramen and everything dito. Dumadami na din yung mga Asian stuff nila. Tapos, yung mga chips din. Pero maramihan kasi ito. So, kung gusto mo lang ng konti lang yung chips, pwede ka naman pumunta sa Safeway, sa regular grocery kung konti lang naman yung kailangan mo. Tapos, nandito yung mga bread nila. And then, yung mga fruit snacks din nandito. Yan, malari na yun. Sarap din yan. Nutella. How much ng Nutella? Oh, $16. Ito guys, yung true fruit. Tikman ko na to. Masarap yan. And then, Lindor. $12. Masarap din yan. Pero, ito din. Yan. Hershey's. $17.99. So, usually yung mga nag-ano ng balikbayan box, sila bumibili. Iniipon nila. Yung mga chocolate, mga spam, mga ganun. Pero dito sa US, hindi naman sila mahilig sa spam. Naman.
Kaya dakal, kaya yung Daily City.
Oh, sa Daly City. Madami doon. Kasi mas maraming Filipino doon. Tapos dito, yung food section nila. Yung may pizza, may mga ice cream and everything. But usually yung popular talaga nila dito, pizza. Kasi mga $10 lang. Sobrang laki. Tapos na po kaming mamili. Badaan lang kami ng ng Asian market. Bibili lang kami ng konting. Nang sila tama mga gata. So, andito na tayo dun sa Asian market. Actually, Filipino market. Maliit lang to. Neighborhood Filipino market lang siya. Sobrang lapit lang sa bahay namin. 5 minutes lang. Pero kung gusto na yung malaki talaga mga Asian market, meron sa Livermore, especially sa San Francisco, tsaka Daly City, madami doon. Guys, may mga tumas na. Alam nyo ba? Naban to ng ilang buwan dito. Ketchup wala pa ba?
Wala ka lapak ito.
Yun yung mga gulay nila. Tapos ito yung mga pampaasim. May magic sarap din dito guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, magic sarap din. May munggo din dito. And so we're back home. So we're gonna do a quick Costco haul. So yeah. So the first one, bumili kami ng Nutella breadsticks. Magkano to? Magkano yun? $15.99 for the Nutella breadsticks. Tapos, ito naman, yung hair, skin, and nails gummies. Sa mama ko to. Matagal mo tong ginagamit ng mama. Magkano to? Magkano to? Kubalo nung nakuha niya kayo ni? Yeah, but anyway, yeah. Tapos, we got the organic seaweed. And then, we got onion, sibuyas. So, the next one we have, meron tayong Ritz crackers. Yan. Tapos, never pa namin na-try to. Pero na-try na namin yung isa. So, we're gonna see if this is good. Ebon. Itlog. And then, did I show? Alima pa na. Plastic cup. Para hindi ka na naguhugas. Tapos, paper towel. It's important. And then bumili din kami ng tawag dito, ng tubig, ng water, at saka ng pagkain ni Stark. Masyado mabigat, so hindi ko napapakita dito. So lahat-lahat ng sa Costco lang, it's $194.33. Yeah, so kulang-kulang mga $200. Tapos yung next naman is yung mga pinamalengke namin dun sa Filipino market. So, bumili kami ng longganisa, flat tops, Kopiko candy, tapos gata. Magagata yung mama ko. Gata to naman. 3. Ito pa yung isa. Tapos, laing. So, we never tried this, so try namin to today. Tapos, ito yung siopaw. Itong siopaw, yeah, ito try din namin. Kasi sabi nung mama ko nung last daw kami pumunta dun sa Filipino store, madami daw mong bibili nito. So, ito try din natin to. Paano to luluto, ma? Steam lang ata. Yeah, steam lang to. And then, lahat-lahat, yung sa Filipino store is $34.02. Yan. Wanna go up, up? Go up, up. Go up, up. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. I think I'm gonna end this here. But yeah, I just wanna show you guys kung ano yung mga ginagawa namin dito sa normal life dito sa US. So usually pag day off mo, dun lang kami nakakapag-grocery, check up, lahat ng errands. And then Stark is barking. Stark! Stop barking. But yeah, and let me know what more content do you want me to show, and then suggest something kasi di ko na alam kung ano bang gagawin ko. And then, come on, Lan, let's say bye to them. All right, so I want you guys to meet Lannister. He is 3 years old. He is my baby. Say hi, guys. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Please share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Lan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.